next example, we've got a swimming pool is being drained at a rate of 720 gallons per hour. Table shows the function relating the volume of water in a pool and the time in hours the pool has been drained. So we want to find the x and the y intercepts of the graph of the function. Well, I don't have a graph, I have a table, but we can actually say what the x and the y intercept are without even looking at a graph. Because what do we know about an x-intercept? Well, for an x-intercept, y is always going to be 0. Y is always 0 for an x-intercept because if I'm on the x-axis, then y must be 0. So I just look at my table. Where is y 0? Y is 0 when x is 14. There's my x-intercept. I can find that from a table because I know y is always 0 for an x-intercept. And since y is always 0 for an x-intercept, we know x is always 0 for a y-intercept because then I'm on the x-axis. So I just look at my table. Where is x 0? When x is 0, y is 10,080. Now we want to describe what the intersects mean in this situation. Here's our actual graph. Well, our first intercept, here's where I need to look at what x means. X means time, y means volume. So if I'm draining a pool when time's 0, my x-intercept must mean shows how many gallons were in the pool when it started. Because if you think about it, when x is 0, time is 0, 0 hours, there were about a little more than 10,000 gallons in the pool. So it shows how many gallons were in the pool when they started. They started with a little over 10,000. And sorry, this is my y-intercept. I misspoke earlier. My y-intercept shows me how many gallons were in the pool when it started because x was 0, y was 10,080. And then I'm going to look at my x-intercept. Remember, I misspoke. The first one's the y-intercept. The x-intercept, 14 hours, 0 gallons in the pool. So x-intercept shows how long it took to drain the pool. How long did it take for there to be 0 gallons of water left in the pool? It took 14 hours. So this must have been a pretty big pool for it to take 14 hours for it to drain those 10,000 gallons out. That's all there is for this lesson. Hopefully a very basic introduction to linear equations and graphing. Hopefully mostly a refresher. As always, let me know if you have any questions.